Hi everyone, this is Julie Reinhardt. I'm going to show you how to create a Google website. It is actually very simple. So right here, we're on our Google homepage. I'm going to go to my waffle and I'm going to go to sites. So once it loads in, you'll get something that looks like this. Now, if you don't want to use your waffle, you can always type in sites.google.com and it will still come up just like this. So from here, I'm going to go to I'm going to go to create, and I want to do the new sites. I do not want to do the classic sites. Classics are a little bit hard and confusing when the new sites are very easy. So I'm going to go ahead and click that, and it's loading here for us. So now we have our front page. So I'm going to title this demo site for our presentation here. And once again, I'm going to type demo site here in the title page. Now, if I want to change my image for this background, I can click on it. I can select an image or I can upload. So I'm going to select an image since it's already here. They have all different kinds of sites. They have all different, whatever you want. So I'm going to click this one here and I'm going to push select. And that's going to be the background of my first page. So if I want something in here besides this, I have to come over here and I can put a text box. And then here I can simply say example of how to do a text box. And then from here, if you come over here to the left, you can see section background. We can duplicate it or we could delete it. So right now, I'm going to make this a little bit bigger just to make it look nicer. I'm going to select a heading, and then I want it to be centered. And then I'm going to come over to the little color palette, and I'm going to change the color just because I want to. And I'm going to make it, let's see, let's do that one. And there we are. So that is my very first page of my Google site. If I want to preview it, I just go ahead and hit this preview, the eyeball. And it's going to, and this is what it would look like if I saw it on the web page. So then I'm going to go ahead and exit preview. And I'm going to come over to the right here. On the right, there's all different kinds of things that you can do. There's different layouts. There's anything you want, a divider, you want a YouTube calendar, slides, whatever you want to add on it. It's all over here on the right. But we want to insert a page. So I come over here to pages and I come down here and push plus. And I'm going to name this business page just for something to add, and I'm going to push done. So now it's here. And I'm going to come and I'm going to insert something. So I'm going to come over here to insert, and I'm going to insert a YouTube video. So I come here, and let's say I want to find a health video. So I click health video, and I might do health video for teachers, just so that it's a little bit more better. So I'm going to go ahead. Now I have not previewed these. So I'm going to click it, I'm going to push select, and when I do that, there is my YouTube video. Once again, if I want to change my section style, I come over and I changed it. If I want to add a text box, I can add a text box that says, teachers stress, what should I do? And then once again, I can do a subheading. I can make this in the middle. I can change the colors. And there we have it. So there we did 2 pages. Now let's say I want a 3rd page. So once again, I come over to my pages. I come down here and I push insert, and I'm going to say this one is health. I push done. And here I'm going to come to my Google I'm going to go to insert, and I'm going to come to my docs, and I'm going to pick a document to put in insert here. So I'm just going to pick anything. I'm just going to select that, and I'm going to push insert. And when I do that, here it is. And I can change my color as well. And then from here, if I want to put my calendar in, I push calendar. And then I have to look, oh, which one do I want? So I'm going to put the football calendar in there. I'm going to insert it, and there we go. And I'm going to change the palette to the gray. So there are all I have 3 pages. So here's my pages. Here's where I can see them. Anytime you see 3 dots over here, you know you can do something. Duplicate the page, add a sub page, properties, whatever one. You don't need to do any of those for level 1. Those are level 2. And I can come to my themes. So say I don't want the blue, say I want pink. I click pink and it changes my look. If I want to change it to let's do diplomat, and there is what it would look like. So this just changes what it looks like on your actual site. So from there, let's go back to pages. Let's go to home. From here, now I like what I had. I created a page within my site. I created a Google site. I did a text. I did an image. You know what? Let's add another image. So I'm going to go to insert. I'm going to go to images here, and I'm going to upload an image, and here we have my son. So I'm going to open it, and there we go. If I want to make this bigger, I stretch it out, however you want to do it, and then I'm going to change it to this. And I don't like that color, so I'm going to change it to that. So there we go. And we've inserted a dot. We inserted a calendar. So then I'm going to go to preview, just so that I could see what it looks like. And in here, this is my website. So here's my home page. Here's my business page. And here's my health page. And everything that I have put on here is on here. So we did exactly what we need to do. So the next thing I have to do is publish it. If I come in here, there's more things I can do. Once again, anytime you see 3 people, that's great. You can add somebody on here. If I want somebody to help me with this, so say I want Lindsay Meismer to maybe put some suggestions, or maybe she can change it. So I'm going to invite her to do it. And then right over here, I said she can edit it. So I'm going to go ahead and send that to her so she knows she has editing rights. And I'm going to go to done. And then I'm going to go ahead and push publish. Just because I publish it does not mean that you can't go and make adjustments. So I'm going to publish it. It's publishing. And this might take a couple minutes. Your site has been published successfully, so I'm going to push view. And here it is on my very own page. So home, business page, and health page. If I want to make edit corrections right here, I can edit it right here within my website. So hopefully this helps you with Google Sites. I hope you all have a great day, and thank you.